show you guys how I have made pretty much all of our curtains upstairs. So it started, this is our guest room, and these are the ones I made too. It started in the kitchen. When we were, well, really the like kitchen, living, dining. When we were first like starting to try and decorate up here and everything after we had finished all the renovations, I was trying to find curtains, could not find any that I liked that weren't insanely expensive. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to spend a ton of money on curtains. And I literally could not find any. Even the expensive ones, like I couldn't find any that I loved. So I found this material at Hobby Lobby, and I researched a little bit like how, like the best way to make curtains, and if you could make curtains that had like the hook ring, like grommet things on them. So I found out you can, and it's insanely easy. So that is what I did in the kitchen, dining room, and living room, and the guest room. And now I'm making curtains for our room. And I thought that I would show you guys how to do it in case you guys want to do that too, because curtains are so expensive. So anyway, Douglas and I really liked the curtains that have these like ring things. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can do these. It's super easy. And seriously, if I can do it, anyone can do it, because I am not a super crafty person. I'm not great at sewing either, but I literally did it. So anyway, I'm gonna walk you through it. So like I said, the first thing I did was found the fabric. The one I got it at Hobby Lobby. I got the material in the guest room from Martin's. If you have that near you, I don't know. But any fabric. This one is thicker. So the one in the guest room is like super thick. That was a little bit too thick. This one is like the perfect. The one that I got for our bedroom is a little bit on the thinner side, but you want more of like a thicker material that you would use on like upholstery or something like that. So you'll need that, whatever fabric you like. And then at Joann's, they sell the grommets. This is a bigger container. I got this one. It has 16 in it. And I was thinking of doing like 8 of these on each curtain, but it's a little bit too much, so I decided to do 6 on that one that's finished. But it just comes, let me switch it around and I'll show you. So it comes in like, you know, these 2 pieces, and one looks like that and one looks like that, and you cut a hole in the fabric after you've sewn it the way you want it, and then you just put these, put like one on one side, like put it down, put the fabric, and put this over it, and then you literally just push it together with your palm. So super easy, and it makes them look so cute, like they're, you know, professional curtains or whatever, like you bought them at the store. So anyway, I am going to show you like how I sewed them too. I found a few different like ways to like, you know, how many times you should fold it over and all that stuff. And I kind of took from one of the videos I saw, and then just kind of did what I thought would be good, and kind of winged it a little bit. But anyway, so I am gonna show you. I have my little setup, and I'm gonna show you what I did. Started by ironing over. This is, I don't really measure this. I just folded it over a little bit. These are the sides of the curtain, so I just folded it over a tiny bit and ironed it, and it's just so it gives it a nice finished looking edge. So that's what it looks like when it's all sewn on the edge. But yeah, as you can see, I just folded over a little bit and sewed it. This, like I said, this fabric is a little bit thinner, so it like bunched up a tiny bit. The other fabrics did not do that at all, so I would try and get a fabric that's a little bit on the thicker side, just because it will apparently sew easier and if you have the right needle on your machine and stuff. And I think the thicker ones are gonna like hang a little bit better, but I mean, I think these will still be really cute. But yeah, just keep that in mind. If you do decide to do this, go for a little bit thicker. So yeah, I just fold over. I do one side at a time because it seems easier. And another thing I realized with this fabric is that it doesn't hold as well. Like once I iron it, it doesn't like hold the creases well, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if it's because it's not thicker or if I don't have the right setting on my iron, but I don't know. But anyway, so I'm doing one side at a time. So I am gonna sew that and then I'll show you what I do at the bottom and the top. Okay, also what I'm doing while I'm sewing, I am just keeping the fabric like right in line with that part of the presser foot, and that is what it looks like when it comes out. And it doesn't, I started to trim this part of it a little bit with the other one, but it doesn't really seem like when you have it folded over, you can't tell that that's like frayed there. So if you want to trim that up, you totally can. Last one I wanted to show you like a little bit more of a close-up exactly how to do it. So this is what they look like, and this is the one you want to be in the front because this is the one that has that little notch. So you just, this is the underside of it, so you just put that, so that's the front, line it up, and you just take this other one, put it on top, push it down, and it's ready to go.